Imagine yourself in this 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, traction control, running boards, front tow hooks and MP3 player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.